There will never be a beautiful interior version on the car, because the most important thing is to ensure the safety of the driver. So how to ensure the safety of the driver? You will find that the entire cockpit is filled with such steel tube structures. We call this a race car roll cage. The role of this roll cage is to ensure that the cockpit is in a complete state when a collision or overturn occurs. In this part on both sides of the driver, there will be a reinforcement beam built in the middle. If the driver has a side collision, it can effectively ensure the integrity of the cockpit. Inside of a race car, you can also see that there are many settings similar to a triangular structure. This setting can ensure that the cockpit of the vehicle will not collapse when the vehicle rolls over, which can effectively protect the safety of the driver in some emergency situations while driving. There are also some other small details. For example, you will find that there is an opening above the driver. In fact, this is used to rescue the driver. Rescuers can quickly open the cover through the opening and lift the driver out of the car in case the doors on both sides cannot be opened. In addition, there are two red dots on both sides. If the vehicle rushes to a position where it cannot be driven out or pushed out, the crane can lift the vehicle off the track by lifting these 2 points, saving time for rescue. That's all for today's episode. If you want to learn more about the technology of racing cars, let us know in the comments section. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.